just put it over here and you will get at least 30 days of post immediately. Now you can refine, like once you get this, what you'll do, you can copy, you can paste somewhere and then you can edit. Like why companies struggle with MIS. Okay. Excel is not enough. Still managing MIS in Excel, delayed reports, manual errors, low visibility. Using Power BI dashboard for daily batch output, productivity in real time. It's about giving your team the right data at right time. Now, do you need a checklist, which is a free pharma MIS audit tool? Mind blown, guys. Very, very simple, easy way you can create immediately. And now you can copy this, put it into this one. You can edit whatever the things that you want to edit. And maybe you can attach some photograph of MIS report or maybe something that you created using Power BI. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Clear,
Right.
everyone? Is it not, is it very
Yes, sir.
easy? It's not difficult at all, I would say. And now maybe if you want to, let's say, create, let's say you can say, okay, you can now say create free pharma MIS audit tool which helps to increase the efficiency. Let's say it will also create for you the entire MIS tool, text version. Maybe you can ask for PDF or maybe Canva type version, everything that is possible. So now you can see reporting speed and accessibility. Now you are asking for some questions. Section 2, waste. Section 3, automation. Section 4. You can also add your own questions, right? In this, you know what are the things to be done. You can do that part. And then now ultimately you are getting a score, 30 to 35%, 20 to 25%, this much, this much. If your score is less, I can help you. And then comment ready, I will DM the next steps. And now you can create like Canva style visual checklist. So it will create the Canva style also. Yeah, mind blown, guys. So this is how you can simply create the entire thing, and you can do it in within 5-10 minutes. You need not to wait for the, let's say, okay, I will think it, I'll do it. By the time you think it, it will just in a fraction of a second, it will create for you. Yeah. So how many of you are now committing that every day I will put one post? This action, like action 1, whatever you want to inspire, you want to create, you want to tell the world that this is what I am for, this is what the problem I want to solve. That part you can do. Yeah. Maybe you can share some story, like your personal story, because story always works better. You can tell your personal story that, okay, this is what I was facing the problem. I was able to actually solve the problem for audit, like Pushpak. He wants to solve the audit problem. Like he can share his own personal story that this is how I faced the audit. In the audit, auditor asked me so many things. I answered this. However, I have failed giving this. I want all to tell you that, okay, don't do the such mistakes. Whatever the mistakes I face, I don't want others to face. So if you want more guidance, you can DM me. Yeah. So story, steps to achieve. Like you want to achieve the 5-step process to automate the reports, to get the audit readiness. Right? So put a hook, create a hook. Yeah. Then write an article. Like if you want to write some kind of article, maybe in terms of MIS, in terms of audit, you can write some articles there. Yeah. So now for all of you, action is that you make a content, share a story, share a conversation, and steps to achieve. 3 steps to achieve this, 5 steps to achieve this. Like that, you can make a post and then start from tomorrow itself. How many of you are saying that, yes, I am committed to do this from tomorrow itself? Yeah, only Pushpak. Okay,
Yes, sir.
Rahul,
Yes, sir.
Rupesh, Sanchayati. Very good.
Yes,
Thank you
sir.
so much, guys, because if you take more actions, it is for you to grow to the next level. Yeah, Avinash? Yes, okay. So then you can write article. Then the action 3 is that you can make a video, your own video. Maybe you start with the hook. You can make an introduction. Then the solution. Maybe you can talk some problem and then call to action. The ideas of video: 3 ways to achieve, 5 mistakes to avoid, 1 thing that can I do, how to do this. So that is the this part. Okay. So these are all the content strategy. You can work on that part, like make a bucket. And there are so many things like photo code. If you want, you can use Canva, you can use ChatGPT, you can use the quote maker, you can utilize that part. Yeah. So clarity, visibility, productization, monetization, funnels. Yeah. So now our car has stopped to the step 3, which is the productization, that we will do day after tomorrow on Friday, which will be almost like a final session for the how to start your side hustle. And I am 100% sure at the end of the Friday, you will be at least able to start understanding how you can start doing that part. And then slowly you need to keep implementing. And during the rest of the course, if you find any problem that where to go, how to do, you can always come back. Maybe I can take one more session, or maybe we can have one-on-one call. Yeah, clear everyone? So action item for all of you, I will share with you that you need to complete the at least some content by the Friday, at least 2-3 content you put onto the LinkedIn, onto the social media. Yeah, because why LinkedIn? Because most of the pharma professionals, they are on the LinkedIn. Yeah. No, it's a free, Rupesh. It's a completely free. There is no subscription required. I will not show you anything where you need to spend any money, because I am a firm believer everything should be available for the free for us to at least start, because when we are starting, we don't have that much of money. Even when I started, even though I was earning the money, I was not able to spend a lot of money onto my the subscription and other things. Recently, I purchased even the LinkedIn subscription of Business Navigator and all of those things. But earlier, I was not spending that much of money. Now, because I need to send lot of email messages and everything, I need subscription. So I took a LinkedIn subscription. Otherwise, even I don't have even ChatGPT subscription right now. Don't require. Yeah. Okay, so this brings us to completion. Anyone wants to share today's experience, that how the entire thing was there? How is your feeling? How do you find these entire sessions? Is it going well? Is it something that you are able to take to the next level? Any feedback you want to share?
Yes, sir. Definitely got one direction towards the which is my target. And now I will definitely work on that template also. We have, and after that I will post on LinkedIn. Let's see what will be the response from the public.
No, definitely the response will be good. And always believe in yourself.
Yes, sir.
Whatever you want to do now, because there are so many people who will be telling that it will not be possible, it is not there, it will not done. But you need to believe in your idea. If you firmly believe in your idea, things will happen definitely in 1 day, 2 day, 1 year, 2 year. That depends upon how much of the efforts we are putting, but definitely things will happen.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good. Thank you so much, and keep taking more actions.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, Rahul.
Sir, today like the session was very good. I like understanding the little concept of doing business, like understanding this part is important, then understanding what things to do is important. We learned this today, like the 3 part we learned today. We understand that yes, we have to do this and this, so we can further go ahead with certain things like that.
Right, you can already started the e-commerce, right? So you are selling some of the products. you need not to sell the features of the product, or you need not to talk about the features of the product, but you need to talk about the problems and
Yes.
how your product is solving that problem.
Yes, of course. And also the demographic is important.
Yeah.
To whom I'm selling which kind of product.
Yes.
It is very important. Like if I just share ads to someone who has no any connection to that, it will just
Correct.
waste of money for them.
Correct.
So
Absolutely.
so
So yeah, go ahead.
so yeah. So the demographic is very important for selling anything.
Absolutely. Yeah. So I'm 100% sure that now you will be able to understand more. Like if you want to increase the sales of your e-commerce products,
Yes.
now how you can target the people, what is your customer avatar? You need to understand what is your customer avatar, what are their problems, what is their demographic, psychographic. And when you understand their demographic and psychographic, you need to message accordingly to their requirement, what are their problems, how that problem your product is solving. And when you do that part, it is like a jigsaw puzzle. Like their problems and your solution, it is like matching with each other. Then boom,
Yes.
things will go. Yeah. Great. Thank you so much, and keep taking more and more actions. Yeah, Ganesh, you want to share?
Yes, sir.
So, how was the session? Have you?
Actually,
Yeah.
this session is very important and it gets more so many knowledges. Actually, regarding this type of session, I never attended before, but we have to action on this. Then we can get something.
Yes, absolutely. That's I think the most important part or the bottom line that you were spoken about. Yes. So, how will you take more actions now? How Ganesh is going to put a lot of efforts and he will take the action. Have you thought about that part?
Some special, special make a schedule for this and take every day 2 hours for this. Then we can
So
achieve
can I suggest
minimum.
everyone one part? Can I suggest everyone one thing? Like you all can make a small group, like Avinash, Rupesh, Rahul, Ganesh, Sanchayati, Pushparaj,
Yes.
everyone. Maybe you can make a 2-3 people group, like those people who are having adjustment of timing and very easily. You can make a one group and then you can brainstorm. You can mastermind with each other. Okay, this is what my idea. This is how I will do. Because when you discuss with more, na,
Yes.
it will solve easily. Like if you are still within yourself, you keep thinking. When you are still within yourself and you are keep thinking, na, you will not be able to go ahead. While rather than that, you put that thought outside. Maybe you talk to your friend, maybe you talk to your seniors, maybe someone you feel that okay, that person will able to help me. Or maybe within this group, like Sancheti, Pushparaj, Avinash, within this group, you can have a discussion with each other. Okay, this is how I want to do that part. Another person, no, Gaurav sir has told like this. Okay, let's do that this way. That way you can be able to become a accountability partner of each other. I think I have said this before, right? You become the accountability partner for each other. When you do that part, what will happen? You will be able to you will be able to easily connect with each other. See why Sanchayji asked the question, why I have not answered. I said, okay, Upesh, you answer. That way your bond will increase and you will be able to do more with each other, and then you will be able to go faster. Like today, I'm still in touch with all my the community with whom I have learned this entire part, like Denlock, Dev Gadvi and all. I'm still in connect with those people, and we do masterminding. Maybe Sunday, Saturday, whenever we get time, we do some masterminding, like where they are, what new strategies they are applying. So we learn that. If I have applied some new strategy, I tell them that this is how you can do that. So that way it will become more easy for you, and you can help each other. maybe let's say Rahul wants to do, let's say, entire transformation of one API, let's say one OSD facility. Pushpak can help him. Let's say how they can get ready for audit. So Pushpak and Rahul can work together and then deliver the project. Possible, right? So that's how you can do that part. So it will be easy and you can do it faster. Yeah, Ganesh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, good. Okay, Pushpak, you want to share?
Yes, sir. It was a really nice session, and the term means customer avatar was new for me. You provided means you taught about clarity, visibility, customer avatar, micro niche. So we should focus on that micro niche so we can start. Means we will start to think about this our micro niche and try to start our side hustle.
Absolutely. And see, side hustle is not just about the money. It is about
Right.
your own self-confidence and financial independence. You are not depending on the salary just. Or maybe even,
Right, sir.
let's say you want to always continue salary as well as side hustle, maybe for your rest of your life. That's okay. But ultimately, you already know that even if my salary stops at one point of time, I know how to earn the money. Like it is our conditioning from the beginning. People are always telling, okay, complete your degree, complete your schooling, complete your degree, go to the job, and for the rest of the life, you do the job. That's how the entire middle class mentality from beginning. And that's what we need to change now. Like this is so many people now, there is new way. Earlier it was only a doctor, engineers and all. Now there are bloggers, there are YouTubers, there are content creators, there are so many people who are creating a lot of things and they are earning a lot of money. Why not we? We can do for our pharma community.
Right.
Yeah. Good.
Sir,
Keep doing.
one more
Yeah.
thing I wanted to share that at first I I started to hear because you started with dear pharmacist and all because it was micro niche. Everybody was saying means so many posts are there and so many social media posts are there regarding Power BI, Excel and this Tableau and all. But you are saying specific dear pharmacist. So we attracted from this. This is what particular micro niche.
Correct. And that is what, see, I don't want to work with all the people. I want to work with only pharma people because my mission is that I want to build the pharma architects, like people who build the pharma industry as well as the people who build the pharma career for themselves. And
Right.
that is why we don't, then that is why I see even the Power BI, what I am teaching, no one else will be able to teach because they will be only talking about IT skills. But while we are talking only
Right.
not IT, we integrate the pharma also together. Yeah, good. Thank you so much. Let's hear from Sanchayati.
Yes, those micro niche and all the chat GPT prompt, how to use that was new for me, and it is very easy technique if you know how to use it and how to
Yes.
implement. And for me, it is I have to work on the clarity and the vision part. So
Yeah,
I'll
it
work
is
on it
very,
further.
very simple now, Sanchayati. You can do it immediately.
Yes,
I have given you the prompt. Once you use that prompt, you'll be able to do it very fast. Yeah,
yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes.
great. Okay, Avinash.
Hello.
Yeah, Avinash.
Session is very motivating, sir. And it gives the idea about how to visible in market, and it gives the type of confidence to us how to do well in our job and also.
Correct. Good. So keep taking more actions, Avinash. If you're not completed the clarity part and now the action also on the visibility part, please start taking action so that I will feel that okay, whatever I have teach, whatever I have taught, you have started now taking actions, and more you take actions, more it will be a visible output for you. Yeah.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Keep engaging more and keep doing more. Yeah.
Yes.
Thank you so much. I think everyone is covered. Pushparaj. Yeah, Pushparaj is there.
Yes, sir.
Yes, Pushparaj. How was the session? Have you started doing clarity part? Have you started doing the visibility part now? Or how was the learning?
Yes, sir. When I was in Bangalore, I started, I have hands-on experience in some programming and all, and like Python and PLC programming. So I did a project in Strides for EMS. So whenever there is a problem, so they are calling me. So I am.
What are you saying? They're calling?
If is there
Your
any
voice
issue,
is coming.
EMS
Yeah.
system.
Yeah.
So they are calling me. What is the issue? And can you please take online? So what I am doing. So I am charging few amount also.
Good. So now,
So
how about you getting calls from so many people, and maybe you know to go to the job to Dr. Reddy's, and you can do everything on this only.
no, after that also, I am. I did few projects in the automobile industries, Coca-Cola. So sometimes they are also calling.
Very
But
good.
when I was there in Bangalore, so I was doing like side hustles. Now I just moved to Vizag, so it is quite difficult. Yesterday also I got a call from that Gabriel India, who is making Ola Succulpture. So
Mhm.
this region, I was in Vizag, so it is difficult to go Bangalore in a day and come back.
Is it because the Bangalore or Vizag, or is it because of the workload? What
Yes,
exactly is the issue?
it is because of Bangalore and Vizag because I cannot take online. That is one thing,
No,
and
but why Vizag doesn't have the Wi-Fi?
uh, or you can say ki it is workload also. I have because sometimes I'm coming in B shift, sometimes I'm here, so that is also a reason.
Do you want to introspect more and think more that why not you can start even from Vizag? Can you just put a 5 why, and maybe you can connect on an audio call tomorrow with me? Maybe let's clear your doubts. Why you cannot do from Vizag? Because Vizag and Bangalore,
Yes,
the only difference maybe the infrastructure may be little less in Vizag than the Bangalore, because Bangalore is a metro city. But I don't
yes.
think so that you can't do that side hustle from there, because this is the first time I'm hearing that I'm in this location, so I cannot start. So it's a curious. I want to also learn that why you are not able to do.
Uh, Sir, main thing is so few industries they don't know how to give me online first of all, and
So why not to make one checklist that how to make online? Maybe you can
yes,
make one SOP and you can send that PDF to them.
many textile industries, automobile industries, they are still in the traditional logics. So they don't have any IPC. They are still working with HMI and all. So it is quite difficult nowadays. So they don't
No,
have the
even with the HMI, you can connect the modem and you can take online, na? Even if it is HMI.
that facility they should have, but they didn't have. They don't have this kind of facility. You have to
Okay.
tell you provide this kind of facility that I can take online anytime. I can support you anytime.
So why not to do for at least those people who are having IPC?
IPs are nowadays in power plant and in pharma only we are using. Other than the small industry, they are okay with HMI.
Okay. So you need to find out some way that how you can start in even Vizag. You
Yes,
can
yes, yes.
you can write down 5 points. What are your problems and how you can solve those 5 problems.
But sir, this service is if you will do this service, so there is a clause in DRL, so I cannot do. I mean side hustle if I am in DRL. That's one problem.
This is what even I have heard so many times. See, as long as you are not making any property of let's say Dr. Reddy's to your name, or you are not utilizing their any IP, intellectual property, I don't think so any issue. You can see you are giving the services to automobile industry, and that too also in your free time. You are not doing it your job, right?
No. Yeah.
Right. So I don't think so any issue should come. But you can always, I don't think so there should be any issue. Even I was also feeling writing a book is a big issue, or maybe giving a training to someone is a big issue. But I was doing and people were knowing. That's okay. See, ultimately, you need to decide whether you want to continue with Dr. Reddy's or you want to do something on your own. So then, in that case, you need to take some bold steps and you need to go towards that side.
Okay, let me figure out because few
Your
companies
voice
are
is
there where I'm working online.
yeah.
Like if you will tell ki just rights and all the pharma companies, okay, it is okay because they are open source. They can give me anytime. So, but few companies are there other than pharma and companies, very small companies, they don't want to spend that much also behind their system.
Okay, just think more about it. I have a lot of things that I can tell you, but in the interest of everyone's time, I can just tell on the last part. Just don't think about solving the services or giving the services. Think about making some your own, let's say, video course or something, where even the students, like those who are coming to the PLC programming, SCADA program, maybe they will learn from your expertise.
Yes.
And there is no any restriction that okay, they don't have HMI, they don't have IPC, they don't have this. No excuse will come in that case. Start doing something. Okay, good. Thank you so much, everyone. I think this was the wonderful session. Even I enjoyed this entire 2 hours, 3 hours that we have spent together. And definitely on Friday, we will come up with the last particular session where we will talk about the productization and the monetization. Yeah. So let's close our session with our signature move. Pharma Trailblazer. Scale up to scale. Scale up to scale. Scale up to
Scale up
scale.
to scale.
Thank you so much, everyone, and let us see on Friday. Yeah. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, sir.